Ladies and gentlemen, the Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology 57 commencement exercises shall now begin as printed.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
O Diyos, Ikaw ang laging hanap. Loob ko'y Ikaw ang tanging hangad. Nauuhaw akong parang tigang na lupa sa tubig ng iyong pag-aaruga. Ika'y pagmamasdan sa dakong banal nang makita ko ang iyong pagkarangal. Dadalangin akong nakataas aking kamay, magagalak na awit ng papuring iaalay. Ngunit ako'y ikaw habang nahihimlay, pagkat ang tulong mo sa tuwin ay taglay sa lilim ng iyong aking kaluluwa'y kumakapit sa'yo. Kaligtas ay tiyak kung hawak mo ako. Magdiriwang ang hari, ang Diyos ang dahilan. Ang sayo ay nangakong galakyaong makamtan. Ngunit ako habang nahihimlay, pagkat ang tulong mo sa tuwina'y taglay sa lilim ng iyong mga pagpahak. Umawit, umawit akong buong galak. Umawit, umawit akong buong galak.
Hermosa, preciosa, perlita, Conunio de Mindanao. Sus medias palabras son las que ocea tu deliciosa ciudad. Flores y amores que adornan tu jardín, eres la imagen de bello Zamboanga, hermosa, preciosa, perlita, orgullo de Mindanao. Flores y amores que adornan tu jardín, eres la imagen de bello Zamboanga, hermosa, preciosa, perlita, orgullo de Mindanao.
Dr. Jaime G. Halon, College President. Sir, I have the honor to present to you 986 candidates for graduation for school year 2023-2024. 2. Master of Arts in Teaching Marine Transportation. 1 in absentia. 13, Master in Maritime Management, 6 in absentia. 1, Master of Science in Marine Biodiversity. 2, Master of Fisheries Management, Aquaculture Technology. 4, Master of Arts in Education, major in Alternative Learning System. 3, Master of Arts in Education, major in Filipino. 2, Master of Arts in Home Economics, Plan A. 18, Master of Arts in Home Economics, Plan B. 3, Master of Public Management, Plan A. 25, Master in Public Management, Plan B. 127, Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, 102 in absentia. 109, Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering, 97 in absentia. 32, Bachelor of Science in Fisheries. 9, Bachelor of Science in Fisheries, Post-Harvest Technology. 25, Bachelor of Science in Aquaculture. 48, Bachelor of Science in Marine Technology. 21, Bachelor of Science in Marine Biology. 18, Bachelor of Science in Food Technology. 44, Bachelor of Science in Environmental Science. 51, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. 76, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino. 19, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. 10, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Sciences. 26, Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Agri-Fishery Arts. 23, Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Home Economics. 29, Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Information and Communications Technology. 85, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. 23, Diploma in Marine Electronics and Communications Technology. 8, Diploma in Fisheries, Post-Harvest Technology, Ladderized Program. 52, Diploma in Aquaculture. 37, Professional Education Certificate. 41, Certificate of Food Technician. I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements for graduation and that they may be conferred with all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto.
By virtue of the power vested upon me as the President of the Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology by the Board of Trustees, I now confer you graduates of your respective academic programs with all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. To all of you, my warmest congratulations. Please be seated. to the honorable members of the Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology Board of Trustees, Board Secretary, Vice Presidents, College Deans, Directors, College Registrar, other significant guests present, Program Advisors, Department Chairs, Faculty, non-teaching personnel, proud parents, and to our dear 2023 CSE MST graduates. A victorious and momentous day to all of you. The 57th commencement exercises of the ZSE MST will mark another milestone in the college academic landscape. For this event is graced by a historic personality in the field of education, a champion of innovation and an advocate of collaboration and internationalization in the academe. Today, I am truly honored to welcome a truly remarkable individual to deliver our commencement address. Our speaker is someone whose journey optimizes the values of perseverance and excellence that we celebrate today. With a career marked by groundbreaking achievements and unwavering dedication, our speaker has made significant contributions to the field of education, earning accolades and respect from peers and admirers alike. Beyond professional success, she has shown a deep commitment to giving back to the community, mentoring the next generation, and advocating for causes that uplift and inspire. Our speaker for today is the Commissioner of the Commission on Higher Education and the Chairman of the CHED Technical Working Group of Lifelong Learning. Additionally, she is a key member of the Technical Panel of Transnational Education and Distance Education. Since April 2023, our speaker has been serving as the education advisor on the future of education for the ASEAN Socio-Cultural Community Research and Development Platform at the ASEAN Secretariat. Her previous roles include serving as the Deputy Chief of Party for the USAID Upskill, demonstrating her commitment to advancing education on a global scale. Notably, she made history as the first female director of the CIMEO Secretariat, the executive arm of the CIMEO Council of Ministers of Education from 11 member states, serving from April 29 to March 2023. Prior to this, she was the first female deputy director for programs from July 2015 to March 2019 in Bangkok, Thailand. Her influence extends beyond Southeast Asia. She has been a governing board member of several UNESCO institutes including the Institute for Lifelong Learning, the Institute for Statistics, the ISAT Advisory Group, and the Teacher Task Force. She represented the Asia-Pacific region in the UNESCO Education 2030 High-Level Steering Committee, Sherpa Group from September 2017 until March 2023. Additionally, she is also a jury member of the UNESCO ICT Prize in Education and the International Council of Distance Education ICT Prize of Excellence. Her passion for education is evident in her ongoing role as a professorial lecturer for PhD classes of the Department of Education or Educational Leadership and Professional Services College of Education, University of the Philippines, Diliman, Quezon City. She is an editorial board member of the UP College of Education, Philippine Journal Education Studies, and serves as the president of the P. Lambda Theta, an international honor society for women education leaders. Her academic credentials are as impressive as her professional achievements. She holds a degree in education, doctor in educational management from De La Salle University, a Master of Arts in Science Education from Philippine Normal University, and a bachelor's degree in secondary education, major in English, and minor in general science, and she graduated cum laude. With her vast experience and profound education and dedication to advancing the educational concept, she will undoubtedly impart invaluable insights that will inspire us all today. Ladies and gentlemen, with much pride and honor, please join me in warmly welcoming the speaker for the 57th ZSC MST Commencement Exercises, our CHED Commissioner, Chairperson Designate of Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology, Board of Trustees, Dr. Ethel Agnes Pascua Valenzuela.
Thank you very much, President Alon. Thank you very much. Please be seated. I'm overwhelmed by the introduction, the long introduction of the President, and the honor and privilege of joining you today. Dr. Jaime Jalon, the President of this great institution that I'm honored to visit as one of my first state university colleges. And I'm joining the graduation for the first time. To the honorable members of our Board of Trustees, to the officials and staff of the college. And closest to my heart are the parents. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga magulang. And our dear graduating students of Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology. Kayo po, palakpakan din natin ang graduates natin. Wow! Buenos dias a todo. Tama po ba yun? Assalamualaikum al-salam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tama po ba yun? Siguro kailangan ko nang suotin aking salamin. until today, I can still vividly recall my very own graduation. Maybe 3 decades ago, I was like you, so full of hope and dreams. But also, I'm quite worried. Where will I go? I don't know. Young teacher, it was a day I cannot forget. And just like all of you, and today, I'm speaking to many students who are really aspiring and graduates who would like to be employed. This is why I want to give my personal sharing of what it's like to be graduating for this current generation. Digital age, the age of artificial intelligence, the age of chat GPT, when everything you can control within your palm, within your reach. As I mentioned and as President mentioned, I have done a lot of work on internationalization, supporting student mobility and exchanges so that we can be employed faster and better. Thousands and thousands of students have benefited from exchange programs and from various scholarships that we have offered since I was in CHED and I was at CIMEO and ASEAN. Today, dear graduates, I should say it's okay to be afraid. Okay lang, matakot, mag-isip, mangamba. Because you are now entering a world of possibilities and also a lot of complications in the present situation. You are joining hundreds and thousands of graduates all over the region in ASEAN. Lahat naghahanap ng trabaho. They wanted to be where they should be. In this interconnected world, you can easily apply online. You can easily check how many applied for this position. In LinkedIn, oh, there are 200 applicants. Where am I? Pay a little dollars, and then you can see where you are. Am I in top 10? I'm in top 5. Things have changed already. But the future belongs to you and to those who dream and to those who do not give up. Naalala ko pa po when I was a young teacher, kasi teacher po ako ng English 1 to 4, lahat, moderator of publication, everything assigned to me, I only say yes. Kaya ko yan. Although I doubt, kaya ko kaya maging moderator ng publication? I'm a fresh graduate. But the Holy Spirit sister said, you are the youngest, you can do this. So I affirmed, yes, sister, I can do that. And stayed on with the Holy Spirit, De La Salle Brothers for 5 years, teaching again English, biology, chemistry, whatever was given to me, I don't give up. So the important lesson is for us never to give up and to always be challenged that we can do all things if we pray and if we believe. At this time, when there's a lot of challenges, well, everybody can copy your faces, your photos everywhere, right? May AI na. You can make yourself so beautiful in the social media world. And even prepare your answers for job interviews, prepare your narratives and essay. Everything can be done. Endless possibilities. Global competencies, that is what you need to do. That's why, as chair of the Technical Working Group on Lifelong Learning of CHED, my advice is for you to continue to enhance your competencies, your skills, your knowledge, and improve on your attitudes and values. Even if you have acquired all the skills, but the values, attitudes, the moral, these are not in place, it will be harder for us to succeed. So combine everything. Your training, upskilling, retraining, read some more, learn some more. Every day is a time to learn. So my message is continue to learn because this world is agile. It's constantly changing. I think that besides the global competencies that I have mentioned, in the study that I did for employability of Filipino graduates, So I was interested to find out what are the competencies that companies are looking for. So they have mentioned communication skills, number one. So I have surveyed many companies in NCR and partly in Calabarzon. They're looking for communication skills. In the age of AI, you can study different languages in your cell phone. You can improve on your English proficiency using your iPads and everything. But the best thing is these communication skills will lead you through the best future ahead. So ganun lang po, knowledge, skills, values, communication skills prioritize. It doesn't mean perfect English, but for you to be able to convey your thoughts in a manner that people understand. What surprised me aside from the communication skills, this is also something that I would like you to know, that the current employers are also looking for your ability to stood up with pressures, no? That you don't give up. So it's also mental, social, and emotional health. That's also very important. That when you're challenged, you don't fight back. You smile and you give your best. You smile and say, yes, I can do that one. So attitude is more important as well. Sam says, attitude 99%, 1% for whatever background. But I weigh it both. As a person hiring a lot of people from ASEAN, from Southeast Asia, where I have spent 17 years, I interview applicants as far as Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia. I see the most important thing actually is communication. The ability to speak, the ability to write, and the ability to summarize. It's really, really very important. Putting the right language across. Now, further, I would like to share with you that you are well prepared. You are in state college that nurtured your values. I can see here, you are committed, are you? You have attitude, the right one, right? You have relationship, you can work with others, right? Medyo mahina yata yun. Do you have right kind of relationship with your colleagues, with parents? That's our, and excellence, commitment to excellence. There are a lot of opportunities, but there are also challenges. And I have a long-standing admiration to your president and officials. They're really one of the best. Palakpakan natin ang ating presidente at ang bumubuo ng board at ang mga teachers natin. They are also one with you in improving your education, your values, your attitudes, caring, responsible. And I believe that your core values will speak up when you are in front of your future employer. Aside from this, I think that you need to fight a good fight. No? Sometimes we need to stand up. We need to share our thoughts, but we need to balance it. Dear graduates, dear parents, mahuhusay po at magagaling ang graduates ng ating state college. Palakpakan po natin ang bawat isa. Kayang-kaya po nilang lumaban at makipagbuno at maghanap ng magandang future. Napakaganda ng Zamboanga. Dito din po nag-aral ang aking ama. At nakikita ko pa ang aking lola na nagturo din po dito sa Zamboanga. Ilang dekada na rin po. Nakita ko ang kabaitan ng aking lola at nakita ko ang kabaitan ng aking ama. At naisip ko, kasi lumaki sila sa Zamboanga. Tama po ba, President? Yan. So, inaasahan po natin na yung ating values ay ating uunahin. No? Ang ating attitude and values. At this time, ako din po ay nalulungkot. There's no one person that we all owe a huge debt of gratitude. Yung ilang panahon niyo pong ginugol sa eskwelahan natin, we have to thank our dear President Halon. President, favorite niyo po ba ang President niyo? From the very bottom of my heart, I would like to thank our President. Ayaw po natin siyang mawala. Gusto pa rin natin siyang kasama natin. Pero tayo ay nagpapasalamat sa mahabang taon na naglingkod ang ating Presidente. Let's give him a warm round of applause. Dear President, kailangan ka pa sana namin at wag mo sana kaming iwan, ngunit meron kang ibang plano. Thank you for your service. Thank you for your service to the students. Thank you for listening to the parents and to the institution and to our nation. Your dedication and your leadership, your personal values inspire all of us. This is what we can promise to you, our young people. The legacies have been made. Napakaganda ng ating eskwelahan, napakabubuti ng ating mga guro. And this is really a state college that is progressive, a college that is inclusive, a college that is student-centered, at napakaswerte niyo po. Sa aming mga magulang, ito po ay inyong graduation din. Nakagraduate na po kayo sa inyong gastos. Pero minsan, nakakoma lang pala yun, di pala period. Nanay, mag-aaral pa ako ng masters. Eh di, to be continued ang gastos. Ganon din po ako sa dalawa kong anak. Gusto ko pa pong mag-aral, magma-masters pa ako. Akala ko nakagraduate na. So ganon po, because it's lifelong learning, no? We always like to have the best chance of being an expert in our field. Subukan niyo po at patunayan na hindi ito ang huling araw. This is just the beginning of more and more courses you will complete. Natapos nyo ngayon, meron pa palang short courses and micro-credentials. Natapos nyo itong kurso nyo ito, I need to enroll pa pala. There's so many Coursera LinkedIn courses. Kulang pa yata yun na pag-aralan ko. Huwag po kayong mag-alala, ganun din po kami. Patuloy at patuloy na naggagawa ng mga short courses and certificates para ang ating kabataan ay lalong maging mahusay at ang kanilang skills will be more relevant. Sa atin pong lahat, alam ko matagal po kayo naghintay. I am very sorry po at ang landing ng ating eroplano 8:30. Alam ko na nagmamadali na tayong kumain at mag-celebrate. So let us celebrate this success. This is the beginning of more beautiful things to come. Nandyan na ang ating employment, nandyan na ang advanced and master's degree, nandyan na ang doctoral degrees. Patuloy lang po tayong maniniwala sa ating sarili. Ang key message ko po is believe in yourself. Kaya nyo po lahat. Basta't naniniwala kayo sa sarili nyo na kaya nyo ito. Do not ever give up. There are so many moments I wanted to give up, pero parang pinagpapatuloy lang. Yan po ay dapat nasa sa atin. Yung tinatawag nating resilience, agility, flexibility, yan po yung matututunan nyo sa ating buhay. Hindi lahat nakakahon, hindi lahat binigay ng eskwelahan. Kayo po ang mag-iisip din ng mas makakagaling sa inyo. Be flexible, look for more opportunities to learn. It's lifelong, it's life-wide. Kahit po mga parents, patuloy din po kayong mag-aral, continue to have other types of literacies kasi po araw-araw nagbabago ang lahat. What you were yesterday, it's different. Iba na kayo ngayon. You learn from all the things, accumulated years of knowledge, attitudes, nababalanse, etc. So move forward, emerge stronger, emerge better, and congratulations to all of you. Salamat po.
Republic of the Philippines, Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology, Fort Pilar, Zamboanga City. Plaque of appreciation is given to Honorable Ethel Agnes P. Valenzuela, CHED Commissioner, Chair Designate, ZSC MST Board of Trustees, in recognition of her invaluable service rendered as commencement speaker during the 57 commencement exercises for academic year 2023-2024 with the theme ZSC MST Braving the Higher Education Borders, Connecting Cultures and Creating Futures, held at Maria Clara L. Obregat Gymnasium, ZSC MST, Fort Pilar, Zamboanga City. Given this 24th day of May 2024 at Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology, Fort Pilar, Zamboanga City. Signed, Jaime G. Halon, PhD, College President.
College of Maritime Education Graduate Programs. Master of Arts in Teaching Marine Transportation. Florida Alberto H. with highest honors. Thesis: Attitude of maritime students towards school-related factors and their academic performance. Basis for policy intervention. Master in Maritime Management, Bumusaw Myriel B. Cantones Marlo P. Cantoy Ranello Y. Columbres J.P. Glenn P. Columbres J.C. Ray P. Maman Ahmad Rafi J. Manangan Emmy G. Paraiso Roxelle F. Villalon Yasser O. College of Fisheries and Marine Sciences graduate programs. Master of Science in Marine Biodiversity, Manalo Carmelo Mateo C. Thesis, Finding Nemo's Abode, Species Richness of Sea Anemone found in shallow waters of Boracay Island, Malay Aklan, Philippines. Master of Fisheries Management, major in Aquaculture Technology, Amsid J. Innocent R. Thesis, Co-culture of sea grapes and milkfish in a circulating system. Pinote Sheramay A. Thesis, Nutrient Utilization and Growth Performance of African Catfish, Clarias garipinus, Birchall 1822, fried fed with varying levels of Madre de Agua, leaf meal in replacement. College of Education and Liberal Arts graduate programs. Master of Arts in Education, major in Alternative Learning System. Bakil Nori H. Thesis, Parental Engagement and Academic Achievement of Alternative Learning System of Talon Talon Central School SPED Center. Saga Lynette Zine A. with highest honors. Thesis: Effectiveness of Alternative Learning System. Program on the knowledge, skills, and attitudes of persons deprived of liberty. Sala Norwina K. Thesis: Exploring the life experiences of alternative learning system adult learners, how livelihood programs impact their socio-economic status. Toralba Rizami S. Thesis: Live experience of non-completion among alternative learning system learners. Master of Arts in Education, major in Filipino. Decano Mayflower C. with highest honors. Thesis: Kahusayan ng mga mag-aaral sa pambalarilang Filipino, isang batayang pang-interbensyon. Manalo Melea Grace R. Thesis: Ang paggamit ng code switching ng mga asignatura sa kolehiyo. Batayan sa pagpapaunlad ng pagtuturo. Tama Carmen T. Thesis: Akademikong performance ng mga mag-aaral vis-a-vis sa antas ng kahusayan sa bokabularyo. Batayan sa programang pang-interbensyon. Master of Arts in Home Economics, Plan A, Fernando Ana Marie D. Thesis: Students' exposure to Zamboanga's culinary diversity and identity and their intercultural competence. Raveche Jose Ramon C. with highest honors. Thesis: Factors affecting the competency level of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management students in bread and pastry production. Master of Arts in Home Economics, Plan B. Ajirul Fatma B. Arudin Fatima Asabi with highest honors. Babia Jennifer A. Bartolome Catherine R. Belotendos Karen Christie. Venaventura Sheila Jane B. with highest honors. Chong Fasra P. Cordova Lilette F. with highest honors. Dalisay Elida A. Fontanoza Claire E. Magbanwa Maryshin G. Pacardo Romelo Jr. B. Sampang Sahara S. Singit Maria Dolores P. with highest honors. Shoko Marlene R. Sisona Ernesto Jr. T. Sargedo Laureline T. with highest honors. College of Management and Technology Graduate Program. Master in Public Management Plan A. Alba Mark James A. with highest honors. Thesis: Performance-Based Bonus Incentive Scheme and its compliance challenges among state universities and colleges. Cabato Rhea Joy A. Thesis: Exploring stakeholders' perspective on strategic sourcing and risk mitigation in custodial office supplies procurement. Yenko Tabitha Ann M. Thesis: and citizen engagement on e-government adoption among selected government agencies in Zamboanga City. Master in Public Management Plan B, Abdul Zenaida C. with highest honors. Abisana LVT. Adalia Gerald B. with highest honors. Amil Bangsa Imelda K. Angko Maribel C. Arroyo Marjorie B. Chong Yesa Garin R. Concepcion Maria Elena B. Cruz Maria Annette A. Escultor Jennivet A. Guevara Jennifer L. Hipólito Angeline M. Iba Naida G. Lyman Franklin C. Luzana Ira Joy A. Manalo Vivian N. with highest honors. Nebres Jonathan H. Patasyon Mary Ann A. with highest honors. Piok Maria Glyceria M. Ramos Ryan V. Repana Charlie A. with highest honors. Sajili Paraji Sherdalin A. Sohor Jen Clarice A. Zohor Rizalinda M. with highest honors. Ventura Jeffrey M. My congratulations.
Our Board of Trustees, with our commencement speaker being the board chair designate, will have a special board meeting to attend to. The entire ZSC MST, together with the parents and the graduates, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Commissioner, Dr. Ethel Agnes P. Valenzuela.
Bachelor of Science in Fisheries, Abisi Wakil A.
Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, Agarin John Angelo T. Cum laude.
Abdul Majid Abdulaziz A. Cum laude.
Aurea Hannah Windel B. Magna cum laude.
Alvarez Riza Jane N.
Amora Emmanuel O. Magna cum laude.
Amisali Erin S. Cum laude.
Antolin Micael Alexandrian S. Magna cum laude.
Andalar Raimi D.
Atilano Mark Margolob G. Magna cum laude.
Antao Jenas R.
Bakil Arhamri J. A. Magna cum laude.
Arambala Meshil G. Cum laude.
Balonsay Christian Dave G. Magna cum laude.
Asmad Farisa S.
Bebit Roenmar J. Cum laude.
Atip Saldi M. Cum laude.
Cruz Reynald L. Cubio Kenny Eugene A. Magna cum laude.
Baginda Joanna D.
Kulot Erica, cum laude.
Bello Elimay S.
Dagayloan Roch Ivan B.
Cabunilas Maritil S.
Galorio Joel J. E. Cum laude.
Diamla Abdullah D.
Labrador Mark Hassen B.
Domos Moog Hasmin F. Cum laude.
Lagare Crispian Hedwig C.
Ecot Christine J. B.
Limato Brian U.
El Cullada Renato B.
Locson Elisel J. F.
Cum laude.
Nami Amir Rashid T.
Elias Sarah M.
Ramos Raul Carlo A.
Garingan Fatma U.
Shera Rogin G.
Hadjula Almodar S. Cum laude.
Simeon Justin Roy S. Magna cum laude.
Jaji Nurhaya L.
Turno Joshua Benjamin P. Magna cum laude.
Lindet Salip Noraiza M.
Bipinosa June G. Magna cum laude.
Manalo Meli Flor P.
Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering. Alaan JBB.
Navarro Patricia Kate Nelin T.
Aminula Kimhar R.
Oclarit Anjanetti Cum laude.
Burillo Dens Kenneth B. Candido Juan Miguel Z. Magna cum laude.
Pitong Ridalin P. Cum laude.
Elumba Jeric Jan C. Cum laude.
Radel Richel T.
Enriquez Nico Brian A. Cum laude.
Pulalon Marina S.
Lim Victor Christopher L. Cum laude.
Romero Jemery P.
Linganan Chrysler John S. Cum laude.
Samson Parida S.
Mendoza John Norman J. Magna cum laude.
Sanson Mernalyn C.
Toribio Johnny F. Cum laude.
Sardan Aubrey Therese G. Cum laude.
Vallejo K. E. Cum laude.
Tassil Richel K. F. Cum laude.
Diploma in Marine Electronics and Communication Technology. Acejas Jomar E.
Bachelor of Science in Fisheries, Post-Harvest Technology Ladderise, Alipan Algi R.
Agustin Erickson E.
Bernardo Harold James B.
Alama Joshua S.
Quajotor Mary Jane E.
Angkon Joel Jr. B.
Francisco Carlo A.
Arieta Angelbert P.
Grafia Chrismore M.
Atilano Billy James O.
Maruji Elmida Y.
Baya Adrian G.
Morito Joan V.
Bernal Christian B.
Ogok Raymark S.
Byong John Carl P.
Takubo Jihada A.
Boses Clarice A.
Bachelor of Science in Aquaculture, Angeles Jobert
Candanido Jasper C.
Araneta Robert F.
Ledesma Judale M.
Ayade Cherib D.
Libres Dionisio Jr. C.
Bakoto Erica M.
Lumosad Jano B.
Balolot Leah P.
Mendoza Wensil Carl I.
Bello Rick J. A.
Nasing Muhammad Muper L.
Del Prado Mark Joris T.
Nuruddin Abdurrashid H.
De los Reyes Jr. Edwin A.
Payat Jake Haynes A.
Cum laude.
Rapples Rashid S.
Dumapik Rika May E.
Reyes Joshua James R.
Fabian Marvelin S.
Regañon Joshua R.
Junain Nabran G.
Surbano Dario Narc N.
Lahug Nur Yasser C.
Zozobrano Aldrin E.
Lipa Sherfa A. Malandi Al Mustafa A.
Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Information and Communication Technology. Ajan Richie Kim F.
Palencia Arnel R.
Alam Almeida D.
Resor Leila Jean L.
Alfonso Claire T. Cum laude.
Sapturani Carmina L.
Apari Elger A.
Sakala Mariel L.
Asad Janela Marie H.
Salahon Anwal J.
Badiri Katrina A.
Salomon Regine S.
Baloyo Norsil B.
Sandigan Ramil M.
Banding Jinky S. Cum laude.
Sotillo Jomari S.
Biri Raymar.
Tamisik JT M.
Carino Jefferson.
Vidal Mariel B. Cum laude.
Dedal Alexander D. Cum laude.
Arnel O.
Dimasuay Juliet A.
Bachelor of Science in Marine Technology, Abdulajit Lajit M.
Diog Andre H. Cum laude.
Aptalin Salahuddin Ayubi S.
Gadi Arcelina A.
Alfaro Audrey Ernesto M.
General Angeline L.
Alibasa Sopian Khalid J.
Guevara Mark Rogin Blas F. Cum laude.
Angeles Miko R.
Hassan Rusina A.
Araneta Wilbert D.
Lagarnia Christine May J.
Bakil Ismael T.
Lasola Gisette D.
Balagosa Zaurik B.
Manling Richelle Q.
Barilla Jason.
Pagot Isidro Alan Jr. D. Cum laude.
Bazan Desiree H. Cum laude.
Pagot Isidro Nolifer D. Cum laude.
Benlot Neil C.
Perez Ezra Gian O.
Bernardo Gerald V.
Quinto Charlene D. Cum laude.
Casimiro Neil Israel S.
Rosa Rosso KCR.
Cordero Mark Joshua.
Saavedra Jeremy P.
Coros Gio Ben A.
Saldavia Shinamay S.
De la Serna Johenico N.
Solano Liza P. Cum laude.
De las Peñas Mariano C.
Tabuena Clear E. Cum laude.
De los Reyes Aris M.
Vendiola Chris T. Cum laude.
De los Santos Janeline.
Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Home Economics. Ajijon Noraisa B.
Domingo John William S.
Alvarez Angelica Joy A.
Esmael Jericho A.
Araneta Karen Jane C.
Flores Faisal H.
Bagsikan Gerald H. Cum laude.
Flores Mary Grace A.
Calago Syria Bini R.
Francisco Samuel A.
Carolio Rica I.
Galbon Erwin S.
Casimiro April Rose R. Cum laude.
Gansangan Jairos A.
De los Reyes IVI.
Gonzales Nicholas C.
Despi Jonaline S.
Ibno Basser S.
Eleno Precious F.
Jikiri Bagani A.
Falca Santos April Rose R.
Maalum Abbas U.
Falca Santos. Francisco next. Francisco. Casimiro.
Muhammad Azi G.
Francisco MJ J.
Montesino Joey T.
Grammatica Rico Boy R.
Natividad Cleoport P.
Guillen Myla T.
Perez Limuel O.
Hermias Annalisa I.
Pisingin Alfasser T.
Hussein Rashida P.
Quijano Kenneth E.
Jamaani Badrina U.
Ramos Joey Anthony B.
Kaliyong Ahmad J.
Ranes Jimuel P.
Laurente Sarah G. Cum laude.
Rome Kenneth A.
Pioquinto Jade Trixie V.
Sakinaya J.R. S.
Rodriguez Rayan C.
Salazar Seyfred V.
Rojas Rizel Joy L.
Salihuddin Judeline I.
Sally Hannah H.
Subahan Hardyboy A.
Saupi Marjana A.
Toribio Mark Anthony.
Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Agri-Fishery Arts, Ajijun Ruwaisa T.
Torino Ian Earl S.
Coquilia Glidel A.
Valenzuela J. Vincent E.
Coros Micah.
Villaruz Denry F.
De los Reyes Janet P.
Ziton Crispy Joy R.
Domen Mylene Joy J.
Bachelor of Science in Marine Biology Andres Biela Joy V.
Gabriel Mary Grace R.
Banning Joshua Ranzel.
Garcia John Urza Nicole S.
Bernardo Jeffrey D.
Ilun Hajima T.
Wongot Charles May J.
Ilun Hujaima T.
Cabral Rosevia D.
Jakiran Meridar D.
Candalamin Annabel B.
Jameri Fatima Satra A.
Daud Sarah H.
Jamil Nurana A.
De Los Santos Adrian F.
Jason Anime H.
Ehan Santos Roschi G.
Karam Radika K.
Fernandez Ridan T.
Langutan Mary D.
Fuentes Sean Michael D.
Lugamay Bernaline B.
Gabion Ali A.
Majidul Almeida S.
Lino Mike Anthony C.
Manalo Marjorie N.
Leleng Albidin H.
Pelisan Charity Kate F.
Malyari April Rose G.
Rekilme Lacabel D.
Manalo Johnny V.
Sabdahun Janida A.
Marquez Felicity Ann L.
Sally Rujum P.
Olis Joshua G.
Surbano Daryl Ray D.
Rodriguez Giancarlo P.
Tanto Farhana H.
Sarmiento Sarazib C.
Tipo Merijoy P.
Yusuf Mujib A.
Valencia Marjorie R.
Bachelor of Science in Food Technology Bakat Vigmar.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Sciences. Acervo John Paul F.
Banlaygas Beverly M.
Alicanda J. P. Cum laude.
Bautista Angelica A.
Amancio Marjun F. Cum laude.
Bautista Lexan M.
Aukasa Fatima Sherwa A.
Bentayin May Jane T.
Delis Marilu B.
Cuestas Queenie B.
Lahuran Nadzla J.
Custodio Raylin M.
Miranda Jesper F.
De la Cruz Aljory E.
Pasco Jeshame M.
Estomago Jerome L.
Rojas Deborah Gian L.
Eugenio Katie R.
Samson Alexis Lawrence L.
Honesto Gomar O.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino. Abelia Liana Aubrey.
Habonitalia Crystal Jane G.
Ahid Alshina B. Cum Laude.
Manangkel Queenie May T.
Ahmad Christina J.
Pabilona Eldran Cupid N.
Alaban Bernadette E.
Parado Kisley Jane O.
Alam Alam Rika May A.
Prico Rosemary S.
Ali Arlene G. Cum Laude.
Sally Rihan M.
Alpasain Racer J. Cum Laude.
Tomimbang Casey S.
Amarante Ivy Joy T. Cum Laude.
Tuwal Valerie S.
Amboang Jezil T.
Tubil Sharina Love O.
Ahmad Ressa S.
Toribio Anna Jane.
Amang Shermaline I.
Bachelor of Science in Environmental Science, Abbas Julham L.
Anamil Nursida A. Cum Laude.
Ahmad Ruida S.
Andog Mary Chris.
Albacete Michelle S.
Aquino Jessa A.
Arvid Muaz Z.
Atilano Michelle E.
Arzadon Stephanie P.
Bara Jarmeline A.
Baharon Oliver D.
Barba Alfie M., cum laude.
Banalo Eric J.
Barrientos Daini D.
Bazan Michelle G.
Bautista Maria Cristina T.
Dakman Aisha A.
Belio Catherine A.
Debosura Angel JG.
Kanoy Evangelica.
Debosura Angel G. Cum laude.
Segales Sulmalin A.
Del Rosario Jr. Luisita P.
Chan Divine, cum laude.
Ding Kong Rusty P.
Corpus Shira Kane D.
Dulaka Elizabeth P.
Dari Chris Marie C. cum laude.
Epan Patricia Angela S. cum laude.
De la Cruz Angeline A. cum laude.
Fabian Jane Ann D.
De los Reyes Cindy G. cum laude.
Falcatan Daniel G. cum laude.
De los Santos Sheena May A. cum laude.
Francisco Mila E.
Dizon Suzette L.
Garcia Jellica S.
Domingo Glyceline S. cum laude.
Gubatan Jessame M.
Elmido Rhea Jane S.
Guevara Charlie F.
Elumer Crisame A.
Hashim Laila T.
Esparagera Mylene T. cum laude.
Lagmay Irame S.
Esperat Katie C. cum laude.
Lumakad Michael Alvin R. cum laude.
Esteban Nika L. cum laude.
Majarani Bonisa B.
Estrasa Virginia F. Fe D.
Montong Amriza H.
Flora Julina M. Cum laude.
Moreno Kisha B.
Flores Evelyn D.
Muqtadir Fatima Saada R.
Galis Shinamay G.
Nobleza Hazel F.
Garcia John Roy D.
Perez Ronnie Jr. D.
Hapasain Janiza A. Cum laude.
Ragas Marpijin D.
Hassan Shaina R. Cum laude.
Rakasa Charity Joy R.
Isnang Tadsmahar D.
Sabandal Julius A.
Jain Romelin T. Cum laude.
Saha Abdul Khalid M.
Jimenez Jaisal A.
Salasa Jason L.
Kalim Nara M.
Salazar Ronelisa J.
Ladores Angeline A.
Santiago Jihan May E.
Langwita Shira Jane Cum laude.
Santos Joshua Cum Laude.
Lara Lovejoy C.
Solis Nathaniel M.
Libres Sharina M. Cum laude.
Tamayo Ria F.
Macario Maria Edley S.
Tinguha Tria Ira Hain.
Magsayo Genevieve A.
Tio Maylin L.
Manalo Jr. Rogelio D. Cum laude.
Villanueva Delizan Joyce A.
Manankil Gabriel Angelica B. Cum laude.
Villares Clary Joy M.
Marinas April May O.
Villas Kimberly A.
Maulana Jahada T. Cum laude.
Diploma in Fisheries, Post-Harvest Technology, Ladderise, Adjahat Nurhamna A.
Molina J.R. B. Cum laude.
Bautista Flordelin P.
Musin Sanima M. Cum Laude.
Forrones Rhea May C.
Muyorgas Maria Monique R.
Mangudlay Nicole E.
Naredo Hannah R. Cum Laude.
Robles Furaida A.
Ocampo Clark Ayan.
Sahibatin Alsima A.
Omar Rusna H.
Sayadi Nuraiza A.
Padayogdog Annalie N. Cum Laude.
Tamsi Aifa M.
Paeste Jazz S. Cum Laude.
Diploma in Aquaculture Abanil Hanshifer Dale R.
Purvis Rika C. Cum Laude.
Abatayo John Me M.
Kilaton Lizelle S.
Abdo Erica T.
Kisai Dangeline A.
Abon Sharifa F.
Rodriguez Jasmine C. Cum Laude.
Ammi Wanhar G.
Rojas Rodora R.
Angeles Jobert.
Rondina Mylene B. Cum Laude.
Aplasin Heiser T.
Rosales Clarence K.G.
Aquino RB R.
Sajili Saracina E.
Arkayan Mary Joy A.
Sawaldi Nurdina Cum Laude.
Atilano Gabriel.
Toto Racina B. Cum Laude.
Baay Janet F.
Veloro Abrisalin D.
Bano Maylene A.
Violango Hani Rose S. Cum Laude.
Bargamento Norlin C.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Albain Arman B. Cum Laude.
Bayan Casey Chantra M.
Alejandro Reina Joy D. Cum Laude.
Bailon Noralyn U.
Ampalaya Joshua Magna Cum Laude.
Bernardo Lizal.
Bayan Tharika Rabia M.
Besa Christine M.
Celeste Iris Joy D.
De la Suerte Jeffrey M.
Darimbang Salim D. Cum laude.
De la Rosa Normina J.
De la Rosa Christine A.
Egok Jeffrey M.
Eddie Carl C. Cum laude.
Espinosa Joviros P.
Etrata John Kylo C.
Evangelista Rachelyn C.
Felicilda Joshua R.
Fontanosa Honey S.
Guarino Gladys C.
Gantaan Jocelyn U.
Jelmaani Nadzua M.
Guevara Jalen A.
Jumawan Kathy May Cum laude.
Hailil Miskudin S.
Kahil Ferian G.
Hambali Sherilyn S.
Musid Walid S. Magna Cum laude.
Ignacio Angeline M.
Ramiliano Iris B.
Isidro Binaros C.
Sandoval Pilar.
Jailani Abdul Rakib L.
Solidum John Mark D.
Candero Joyce.
Torion Virgo A.
Legara Florence C.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Abdul Razdi L. Cum laude.
Lim Alwyn B.
Abdusali Sharman U. Cum laude.
Lozada Rose Milane P.
Adil Jessica S. Cum laude.
Maghinay Nisa M.
Adol Leilamar Leilamer G. Cum laude.
Malyari Plinky B.
Aga Muhammad Nizam A. Cum laude.
Manalo Angelica S.
Ahmad Katrina J. Cum laude.
Musalin Richkan S.
Arola Marian P.
Olazo Christian J.
Asuncion April Rose R.
Paddy Jazeline G.
Bakil Rania I.
Perez Aldri P.
Balamos Sarah Jasmine M. Cum laude.
Perez Harold Vincent P.
Balanda Irish D.
Rojas Adeline.
Barazun Jade L. Cum laude.
Saavedra Flor O.
Bailon Juvie V. Cum laude.
Sapayani Nawaf A.
Bendijo Justin Carl S. Cum laude.
Tahil Nafiza M.
Borongan Arnie J.
Teves Genevieve B.
Cabaya Cruz Jane T. Cum laude.
Tommy Julia Lisal T.
The Upan Clarice G. Cum laude.
Ibanez Maybelline S.
Ebel Aaron E. Cum laude.
Certificate of Food Technician Absin Fatiman Noor A.
Echevia Dorleen M.
Aji Alshara I.
Ayan Santos Leia T. Cum laude.
Alegado Evelyn L.
Elika Reina Rose V.
Amilasan Norhana S.
Empeñado Raver B. Cum laude.
Antoque Jamari P.
Estrada RGJ.
Araham Norkisa A.
Gaka Janidin E. Cum laude.
Asta Dharma J.
Gahuman Justine D.
Beller Debson Jade B.
Gregorio Haiti May A. Cum laude.
Bernardo Grace G.
Isidro Jude Ryan A. Cum laude.
Cochesa Gregory Earl D.
Jain Alfadzri A.
Columbres Jaylene G.
Jaji Rizmina M.
Corteza Elaine Christine F.
Jamiruddin Farhana K. Cum laude.
De los Reyes Story S.
Jawari Rosmina V. Cum laude.
De Repaz Clarence Kate S.
Las Piñas Girafe C.
Dupa Christine V.
Leonardo Catherine Joy N. Cum laude.
Estrella Ruby M.
Magbanwa Cleven.
Fiera Ara Fimay C.
Mahalail Narha S. Narha S.
Francisco Marjorie A.
Napal Cruz Nizel C.
Galyamit John Person T.
Pansakala Christ A.
Galuyon Judeline A.
Polisco Eileen D.
Gonzalez Janeline B.
Quijano Mark E. Cum laude.
Iturralde Harisal C.
Rebollos Renzo Cum laude.
Lage Sheila M.
Rebollos Romeline E.
Langa Dispina A.
Sahi Sirhan M.
Laniba Luzviminda.
Sangkom Jimboy D.
Mansul Albadi L.
Sarail Janmar B.
Muhammad Pershana N.
Solis Glenmar D.
Muhammad Taib Fahada M.
Subing Diana Rose S. Cum laude.
Muay Arnalin A.
Taba Muhammad Sudayas B. Cum laude.
Omongos Julie P.
Tanbelda Kent C. Cum laude.
Paharin Aljan A.
Tomokon Axel Rose R. Cum laude.
Perez Glorwilin B.
Ulgasan J. Anti Cum laude.
Piedad Jezame D.
And Yusop Rosaline S. Cum laude.
Pio Quinto Iril Kate.
Professional Education Certificate. Abdul Zenaida C.
Redera Rico O.
Abubakar Desma S.
Rodriguez Giliana F.
Astakaan Jelly A.
Saldavia Aljoy.
Badiri Radzhana A.
Somagomba Jahani R.
Barahim Leonora A.
Taddi Noraima D.
Bayrula Sherlina L.
Villanueva Kurt Machu R.
Cabrera Yana Marie G. Canzado Ivanel Lin R.
College of Management and Technology, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Abekebel Darrell F.
Canzado Ivanil Lin R.
Abonda Mayan.
Kataylo Hanimei N.
Akalari Erica B.
Dagohoy Regine D.
Alaw Hani Christine A.
Felicilda Cindy R.
Alvarez Nerwin M.
Fernandez Christine B.
Angeles Matthew R. Cum laude.
Francisco Eliezer E.
Apostol Joliet S.
Fuentes Marjorie H.
Achilles Cathy S.
Hassan Altresia B.
Aquesta Eileen Michelle R.
Ismael Neila S.
Arcelias Charipay D.
Ismael Sitina Fisa J.
Balubog Marvin S.
Jacob Cindy F.
Banalo Jonalen O.
La Casa Santos Ria A.
Bantolino Mary Jean P.
Liber Ivan Ray R.
Baralin Satra J.
Mandag Rosefina N.
Bas Epel Janina F.
Miranda Jasmine Azel A.
Belio Erica Jane.
Molina Ailey Kathleen P.
Bioko Nestor S.
Muksan Rahaida J.
Brokoy Eden C.
Nasal Karim C.
Cabaya Cruz Kenmark B.
Paler Terry T.
Carlo Michelle A.
Rebolios Mark Jason L.
Cantiga Maris M.
Sally Marilyn T.
Kakilala Shena Shan E.
Soliman Luis Roberto P.
Kaupayan Donex G.
Santa Teresa Abraham D.
Colaljo Carlos Jr. G.
Santa Teresa Myrtle M.
Coronas Mary Jean L.
Santa Teresa Cherise May D.
Cortez Mary Jane D. Cum laude.
Tala Madzri D.
Custodio Kesian B. Cum laude.
Tan Asmihan M.
Dalil Odin Nop A.
Tantong Sahimar P.
Di Guzman Christine Joy D.
Tiking Fatima Will Michelin T.
De la Cruz Roslyn R.
Verdida Riza Joy E.
De Los Santos Jerlyn C.
Zaragoza Hannibal S. Congratulations.
Dimicelio Jade M. Endong Blasany G. Arin ako. Endong Blesseny G. Enricoso Ayesa S. Enriquez Rosemary C. Escobar Alexis S. Esmael Jeremy A. Estrada Egiboy P. Cum laude. Estrada Maria Kelly Ann E. Ferrer Rachel R. Flores Geraldine P. Francisco Angelica M. Kapitanan Mariel M. Galagati Tricia Nicole P. Gutierrez Paulins S. Guzman Alessa M. Cum laude. Hamid Al Nasser S. Hasil Panghulo Marvin P. Isidro Julian Rene G. Cum laude. Halaw Jonica S. Lakas de Santos Clarence Z. M. Cum laude. Leonardo Prizzi A. Lumuna Andrew John S. Cum laude. Luna Jacqueline P. Luna Jennifer. Luntod Leonela P. Cum laude. Makatwal Princely Klein A, cum laude. Mahilom Anali G. Malones Billy Nal D, cum laude. Manambahi Fatima Aymana A. Mangasar John Anthony K. Marshall Jessica G. Martinez Rosemay L, cum laude. Misa Shename A. Nad Ashi B. Obiera Mary Jane C, cum laude. Ogyagan Lovely G. Posadas Vetime C, cum laude. Quinones Mary Cecile R, cum laude. Kenkito Raymark A. Ramos Edeline S. Rigacho Kate Claudine A. Risaba John Paul A. Rojas Angelica Nicole A, cum laude. Rojas Relimer C, magna cum laude. Sabtorani April Joy B., cum laude. Salvador Joyce P., Sernal Ivy Rose D., Sumikad Ella Blue, Songa Camila Joy M., Tambong Renalyn E., Tolentino Jed Lois G., cum laude. Tuban Ebony Glaze S., Uzi Shiraida H., Villafranca Isabel Yewen R., Villar Alvin Jr. R., congratulations.
Congratulations to our graduates. We would like to take this opportunity to also present awards and plaque of recognition to our BFAR scholars who were awarded Latin honors. Let me read the citation. But before I read the citation, I would like to invite for and in behalf of the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources representatives, for and in behalf of the Regional Director, we have the Chief Finance and Administration Section Region 9, Glenn L. Boleng, to be on stage together with BFSP Coordinator OIC HRM Unit Region 9, Crisanto P. Katubig, and FFSP Coordinator Region 10, Cagayan de Oro, Violeta Monton. Please join on center stage the Dean of the College of Fisheries and Marine Sciences, Dr. Oliver Di Tito, and our Vice President for Academic Affairs, we have Dr. Rachel Lauriaga. Our recipients for these awards will be receiving plaque of recognition, gift, and 20,000 pesos cash. Let me read the citation. Fisheries Scholarship Program, Republic of the Philippines, Department of Agriculture, Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, Regional Fisheries Office 9, Artilim Bolibard, Kawa-Kawa, Zamboanga City. Plaque of recognition is awarded to Miss Irene S. Amisali in grateful recognition for her academic excellence as cum laude, Bachelor of Science in Fisheries, during the 57th commencement exercises of Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology on May 24, 2024, Fort Pilar, Zamboanga City, Philippines. Given this 24th day of May 2024 at BFAR Regional Office, Zamboanga City, Philippines. Signed, Alzat K. Kunting, RFP Regional Director. same plaque of recognition is also awarded to Miss Mechil G. Arambala, cum laude. Mr. Saldi M. Atib, cum laude. Miss Jasmine F. Demosmo, cum laude. Mr. Almodar S. Hadjula, cum laude. Miss Rideline P. Pitong, cum laude. Miss Aubrey Therese G. Serdan, cum laude. Miss Richelle K. F. Tasil, cum laude. Plaque of academic recognition is awarded to Renato B. Elculiada Jr., cum laude, for his outstanding scholastic achievement and academic excellence with degree of Bachelor of Science in Fisheries. Congratulations to our BFAR scholars. Equally important, we would like to give this Manny Villar Excellence Award. The Manny Villar Excellence Award is being given to students. This is given every year to outstanding students who graduated top of their class in selected schools, colleges, and universities in the Philippines. The award, initiated and sponsored by former Senate President Manny Villar, seeks to honor and encourage students to achieve academic excellence and to develop discipline and commitment that can help them excel in their fields of endeavors. The award exemplifies Senator Villar's commitment and cause to help the Filipino youth achieve success. Following his example, from being a poor boy from Tondo, helping his mother sell shrimp and fish, to being one of the biggest housing developers in the country today. Ladies and gentlemen, Manny Villar Excellence Award is given to Atilano Mark Margalov G., magna cum laude.
Our commencement speaker, Dr. Ethel Agnes P. Valenzuela, CHED Commissioner, Chairperson Designate for ZSMST, Attorney Jobian P. Diesdo, ZSMST Alumni President, and all the honorable members of ZSMST Board of Trustees, Dr. Jaime G. Alon, School President, Dr. Rachel D. Loriaga, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Mr. Roderick D. Trillo, Vice President for Student Affairs and Academic Services. Dr. Rufa L. Mendez, Vice President for Research, Innovation, and Extension. Dr. Alvin Z. Reyes, Vice President for Administration and Finance. Chief Engineer Crystalline de los Reyes Chong, Dean of College of Maritime Education. Dr. Alma Freda D. Labos, Dean of College of Management and Technology. Dr. Armand H. Lee, Dean of College of Education and Liberal Arts. Dr. Oliver D. Tito, Dean of College of Fisheries and Marine Sciences. Dr. Elvira E. Salian, Graduate School Coordinator. Esteemed faculty members, proud parents, and my fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. First and foremost, my fellow graduates, I want you to ask the person beside you the question, is this your dream program? Yes. When I was in my elementary school, I was amazed by my brother, who was a nurse. I have set my mind that I will follow his footsteps. But way back in 2013, I was diagnosed with dengue fever, and I was confined for 7 days. I experienced that every 6 hours, the nurses and the medical technologists were extracting my blood. That is the time when I developed my trypanophobia, which is an intense fear of needle in the medical settings. Having swollen arm and crying every time, I asked myself, is this the field that I want to be in? That's why I have set aside my dream to become in the medical field. During my senior high school, I was undecided on which track I would take my work immersion. And here is my friend named Darwell, who encouraged me in marine transportation. Sabi niya sa akin, marumi sa makina, huwag ka na dun, mainit, mas maganda sa deck. Sabi ko naman sa kanya, mas maganda naman siguro sa marine engineer kasi may mga tito at pinsan ako. Kaya ang napili ko ay marine transportation kasi na-encourage niya ako. That was also the time that I put marine transportation on my work immersion paper. I was assigned in the same school as we are here today. I was assigned in the office and classroom of the late second mate Benjamin Tionco, who is also a key person to my career. Sir, thank you. My experience during my 12-month apprenticeship was a transformative journey filled with challenges, learning opportunities, and unforgettable moments. From the moment I stepped aboard the ship, I was immersed in the world unlike any other, where the vast expanse of the ocean became both my workplace and my home. One of the most striking aspects of my experience was the sense of camaraderie among the crew. Despite coming from different nationalities, cultures, and background, we quickly formed a tight-knit community bound by a shared mission and a deep respect for the sea. Whether we were navigating through the rough waters or enjoying the moments of calmness on deck, there was a sense of unity and solidarity that brought us together as a team. As a deck cadet, I had the opportunity to learn from seasoned seafarers who generously shared their knowledge and expertise with me. Under their guidance, I gained hands-on experience in a wide range of tasks, from navigating the ship using celestial and electronic navigation method to maintaining the safety and security protocols on board. Until now, I'm still not moving on from the fact that I was able to gain the trust from my captain and my officer, who has imagined that a student from CSDMST is being entrusted by foreign captain and officers to navigate a 62,702 gross registered tonnage container vessel and play the role as a deck officer. My dear co-graduates, as we stand on the precipice of our future, I am once reminded on the words of Nelson Mandela, who once said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." Today, as we reflect on our journey through education, let us not only celebrate our accomplishment, but also recognize the immense responsibility that comes with the knowledge that we have gained. Together, let us embark on the next chapter of our lives, armed with the lesson learned and the dreams that ignite our soul. I want to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you who has played a role in shaping us in the individual we are today. To our families, whose unwavering support have been our rock through our highs and lows of this journey. Thank you for believing in us even without it ourselves. To our dedicated teachers, mentors, who have not only imparted knowledge, but also instilled in us the value of perseverance, integrity, and compassion, your guidance has been invaluable. You have challenged us to think critically, encouraged us to dream big, and empowered us to strive for the excellence in everything we do. And to my fellow graduates, classmates, and friends, what an incredible journey it has been. Together, we have weathered the late night study session, conquered the challenges of rigorous exam, and celebrated the triumphs of academic and personal achievement. But beyond academic pursuits, it is the friendship forged and the memories were created that we will cherish most. I want to take this opportunity to thank the most important person in my life, my mother. Mommy, I find myself overwhelmed with gratitude for everything you have done for me. Through my life, you have been my shelter, my guiding light, and my greatest source of strength. Being a single mother is not an easy fight, yet you have tackled every challenges with grace, resilience, and unwavering love. You have worked tirelessly to provide for our family, sacrificing your own needs and desire to ensure that you can provide for our needs. Your unconditional love and support have been the foundation upon which I have built my life. You have cheered me through every triumph and lifted me up through every setback. Your belief in me has been a constant source of motivation, inspiring me to reach the stars and never settle anything less than my best. But beyond your role as a provider, you have been my mentor and my best friend. You have listened to my hopes and dreams, offering guidance and wisdom every step of the way. Your wisdom, kindness, and compassion have shaped me into the person I am today, and for that, I am eternally grateful. On this special day, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your selflessness, your sacrifices, and your unconditional love. Thank you for being the most amazing mother a child could ever ask for. Mommy, I love you more than words can express. I also want to thank my company, NSB Reederei Germany, and Senator Crewing Incorporation Manila, for your unwavering support, professionalism, and dedication that have made a profound impact in my journey as a cadet. My co-graduates, as we stand on the threshold of our future, ready to embark our respective paths, let us carry with us the lesson learned within these walls. Let us never forget the importance of kindness, empathy, and understanding in the world that can sometimes seem cold and indifferent. Let us strive to be agents of positive change, using our knowledge and skills to make difference in our lives and of the others and in the world at large. Thank you, CSEMST, for being more than just a school. You have been a nurturing environment where dreams were encouraged to take flight. Your commitment to academic excellence and holistic development have empowered me to strive for greatness and to reach the new heights. But as we move forward, let us also remember to cherish the present moment, to savor the simple joys of life, and never lose sight of what truly matters. For it is not the destination that defines us, but rather the journey we undertake and the lives we touch along the way. So as we bid farewell to this new chapter of our lives and step boldly into the unknown, let us do so with courage, with passion, and with unwavering belief in ourselves and in our ability to shape our own destiny. Congratulations, CSMST, Class of 2024. May your futures be bright, your dreams be boundless, and your hearts be forever filled with the spirit of adventure. Thank you.
Please all stand. I am Attorney Jobian P. Diesto, the President of the CSMST Alumni Association. I will now lead you in taking the alumni oath. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Alumnus of the Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology. Do solemnly swear to uphold the ideals and principles of my alma mater by serving the community and our country with integrity and to the best of my ability, that I shall endeavor at all times to bring honor and glory to my alma mater, that I shall impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without purpose of personal gain. So help me God. Now, I will lead you with the college pledge. We, the graduates class of 2024 of the Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology, in due humility, do the pledge to the Almighty God, our ever-abiding loyalty to the principles and ideals of our alma mater and to the Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology Alumni Association. We therefore request that our names be inscribed in the roster of her alumni, there to remain as a record of sincere determination. So help us God. Congratulations, and I hope to see you in our homecoming reunion. you.